When you hear that, people, she is not a normal girl. Is a gun girl that. Bad girl that. Seen? Up to the time, everybody has said as she make her brother get caught up in the situation. You hear me I tell you, people? See there? Them tell her say not to return to Westmoreland. And she was spotted in Grange Hill at a cook shop on December 8th. And from that day until now, they can't find is only a video showing that two persons were buried in a shallow grave. That's all we see. And the voice note over here. But differently, nothing else. They can't find the body none at all now. And people, them tell her she's not returning. And she returned. Why she returned? Sometimes we have to learn to listen when we get yourself caught up in a certain situation, because nobody never put her in another situation there. And she chose it. And then she hears it, don't return, and she